Alright guys, take a look at this live trade that I'm in right now on the Nasdaq. You can see I'm sitting on over $4,000 in profit. This is by far one of the largest and most profitable days I've had in like 6 months. And all I used today was the volume indicator color band. Oh my goodness, man. Let's get right into this video, folks. There's no time to waste. There's so much I want to share with you and review with you today. Let me go ahead and fit this chart to scale here. Let's fire up the volume indicator. Let's get everything organized here. And first things first, guys, you know, I've said this many times before, whenever I'm in a live trade and I'm recording this video, my focus is obviously on managing this trade, all right? So if I start rambling or ranting and raving like a madman, please excuse me, because I gotta make this money. All right, quick time and temperature check, folks. It is currently 10:30 a.m. on a lovely Wednesday. These markets are absolutely surging right now, okay? And today was really interesting, guys. I want to talk to you about both trades that I took. I took one short, all right? This was my first trade of the day. You can see here, SE number 1 and number 2. This means that I went short 2 contracts of the Nasdaq on a textbook gorgeous retracement that showed up around 9:30. You know that's the sweet spot for trading. I mean, if you are not trading the morning session, shame on you. All right, that is prime time. If you're an active day trader, there's so much money to be made just trading from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. All right. Anyway, this was the first trade that I took. I'm going to talk to you about the short trade, but of course, I really want to get you dialed in to the trade that I'm currently sitting on right now. Take a look at this, man. Take a look at this right here. I am sitting on 115, now 19, 17, 100 plus points on the Nasdaq in my live account. This is points. All right, not ticks. Multiply this by 4 if you want to translate this into ticks. I think this is a little over 600, maybe 700 ticks. All right, so when I say that a person can make 600, 700, sometimes even 1,000 ticks each and every day, then you know that I'm not joking. All right, especially when you trade the Nasdaq. You guys know this is my favorite symbol. I don't have to repeat that. If you're not at least looking at the Nasdaq, again, shame on you. All right, so let me once again prove to you guys and gals out there without any shadow of a doubt that this is a trading system that actually works. All right, what you're seeing on the screen is our green and red volume indicator color band overlay. This is overlaid on top of today's live price action chart of, yep, you guessed it, the Nasdaq. And this is where I make all of my money. Matter of fact, this is where all of my people make all of their money, in my humble opinion. All right, I love trading the Nasdaq. I tell each and every customer that I personally onboard live on Zoom that this symbol is a cash printing machine. I don't know why, it just is. All right, and the setups that we try to focus on, guys, each and every day is the setup that looks exactly like this. Okay, these are what I like to call picture perfect textbook retracements that show up against the volume indicator color band. All right, and it's a 2-step process. I think anybody can master this in one day. All right, number 1, wait for the color band to establish the trend. You can see that happen right here at 9:59 a.m. The volume shifted from red into green at this exact moment in time. But this is not where I look to go long, right? I want to wait for the market to prove to me that this momentum and this long move is valid, that it's real, and there's some substance behind it. All right. And so then once I feel validated, I then want to wait for the market to pull back, pull back, pull back, and give me a textbook, crystal clear signal for me to go long, which is this retracement setup, green candle against the green vol color band, and the low of this candle is under the band. That's it, guys and gals. This is the number 1 most profitable chart trading pattern you're ever going to see in your life, and I dare you to prove me wrong. I mean, this system works, folks. All right, this system works each and every day. Let's take a look at the short from earlier. All right, so this was just the same setup in the opposing direction, right? The volume indicator color band is red, so that tells us we are only interested in taking shorts. And you can see my entry markers right there. All right, I went short on the Nasdaq around 626-ish. 2 contracts, beautiful fill, only a couple of ticks of slippage, and yep, you guessed it, you can see where I took profits on the first half of my trade. Guys, I've been trying to look for 2-to-1 on the first half of my position instead of 1-to-1 just because I found myself leaving so much money on the table. All right, and so that's what I decided to do today, and I think I'm going to stick with the strategy because take a look at this, man. Matter of fact, let me just take a look at the P&L. Oh my goodness, guys, can you see this? I am knocking on the door of $5,000. Folks, if this holds up, this is going to be my largest and most profitable winning day of 2024. All right. So let me just see where we are right now. Let's take a look and see. 1 second, folks. Let me just I need to see where we are, my target. All right, so I've got my target here at 750. All right, we're at 721 right now. I use 750 as the target just because this was very close to yesterday's high. I was very convinced that today this market was going to take another run at yesterday's high. So if we break, I mean, it's really looking like it's going to take 750. So I think I might even move this to 17. Let's see here. Let's move this to 17 or yeah, 790, maybe even 800. Yeah, nice big even number. Yeah, so the market's really strong, and you know, whenever I see the market come really close to my targets, I mean, listen, if it takes out 750, I think it's going to run to 800. All right, let me just check the time right now. It's 10:38 a.m. So I still got another 1 hour of trading, and oh my God, look at this. It just ripped hard. Another couple of candles here. My goodness here. Oh my God, 5,500. All right, folks, I think I'm going to wrap up this video. I got to focus on this trade. All right, I don't want to give back any of these gains. Oh my God, knocking on the door of $6,000 now. This is crazy, guys and gals. Let me conclude this video by saying this. All right, let me fit this to scale. All right, these are my final words before I wrap up today's video. For all of you guys that love trading volume, believe in the system. All right, this is a trading strategy and a trading method that actually works. And it's so funny. Yesterday, you guys saw this, right? Yesterday, I think I only made like $800. I was kicking myself because we didn't get a lot of retracements. And today, my goodness, we get one gorgeous retracement to the short side and another beautiful retracement to the long side. So guys, you just never know when the volume is going to kick in. The trades are going to come fast and furious, and you're going to make a fortune grabbing those ticks. All right, guys, that'll do it for this video. I got to focus on this trade. Congratulations to all of you guys and gals out there that made money this morning. I'm so glad that you guys crushed it today, and I cannot wait to show you more live trading setups tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.